Hello, and welcome back to the Beardo channel. In this video, we'll show you how to use the multi-warehouse feature in Beardo. This feature allows you to track stock in multiple warehouses and ship items from different locations, perfect if your business operates across cities or countries. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the Beardo channel. Hit the like button below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorials. From your Beardo website dashboard, go to Apps, then select Multi-Warehouse. Right now, we don't have any additional warehouses yet. Your main warehouse is automatically set based on your general settings. In this case, it's located in Alberta, Canada. Now let's go back to the multi-warehouse page and click Add Warehouse. Enter the warehouse name, address, and phone number. Let's create a new one in Seattle, Washington, USA. Let's fill this out starting with the name. For example, Washington Storage. Set country, region to United States. Then choose the state. Enter the city, zip code, and the full address. Don't forget to enter the phone number. Make sure it's correct, since it's tied to this address. Click New Warehouse. And now you'll see that our new warehouse has been added successfully. Next, go to the Products page. By default, all products are stored in your main warehouse. In this case, Alberta. But let's say one of your products is stored in Washington instead. Open that product, go to the Stock section, then fill in the stock for the warehouse we created earlier, which is Washington Storage. For example, there are 120 units in Washington. Once everything is set, click Save. Now, for those using custom shipping methods, make sure your warehouses and shipping regions are already connected here. Under the Warehouse section, select which warehouses will use this shipping method. In this example, I've selected both Main Warehouse and Washington Storage. Then scroll down to the Region section. Here, you can add the delivery areas covered by this shipping method. For example, I've added Canada and the United States. You can also add more areas by clicking this Add Region button, then selecting the regions that are supported in your shipping coverage. Once everything's ready, click Save. Let's simulate a customer purchase. A customer orders two products that come from different warehouses. On the checkout page, you'll see that both items are shipped from different locations. One from the main warehouse in Alberta, and another from the Washington warehouse. Because the products are from different warehouses, the customer will need to select two separate shipping methods. Let's fill in the shipping details and complete the order. Alright, the order has been placed successfully. Now let's return to the seller's dashboard and open the orders page. Here, you can see that the system automatically separates the products based on their warehouses, one from Alberta and one from Washington. And that's how the multi-warehouse feature works in Beardo, a simple and powerful way to manage inventory from multiple locations. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Beardo channel for more tutorials. Also, follow Beardo on social media for more helpful content. See you in the next video.